deaths each day.
Yeah, sadly, tonight, a 3-year-old in Indiana, the latest victim, dying just days after being diagnosed. And now, Olivia Valou's family second-guessing whether the little girl should have gotten the flu shot. Her family says that they decided against it when they had heard it might not be that effective.
They had told us what the flu that's going around now, it's not going to matter if you get it or not.
Wow.
And so why we just decided not to put those chemicals in the girl's body if it's not going to help.
Her death days after a teacher who was prescribed Tamiflu but said that she just couldn't afford it. 7 is on your side tonight with a look now at why it costs so much and why those costs vary so widely. Our consumer investigator, Kimberly Suter's been digging into this. She joins us now with some answers. Kimberly, why is that?
Jonathan, it's heartbreaking. I just got off the phone with a patient advocate who told me unless Congress regulates what drug makers can charge, it is the Wild West. Fend for yourself when it comes to prescription drug costs.
Diagnosed with the flu, 3-year-old Talia and 7-year-old Layla have spent a lot of time on the floor of their Potomac home. Their mother, Cheryl Krauthammer, got it too, and sticker shock when she bought Tamiflu for her girls.
I did buy the Tamiflu, here it is. I paid about $450 because the cost of the prescription was applied towards my deductible.
$450 for the Krauthammers, maybe just $10 for you. WellRx.com's Sean O'Ree says the same factors are at play for this drug as with any other. The kind of insurance you have, the pharmacy you choose, supply versus demand that day, and maybe more than ever before, how high your deductible is. It's not only the start of a new billing year. According to AHIP, America's health insurance plans, in 2005, only 2 million Americans had high deductible plans. Today, more than 20 million Americans do, exposing more consumers to 100% of the drug cost, which is why sites comparing prescription drug costs in your neighborhood are growing in popularity. When 7 on your side, search for the 7 lowest prices for the generic drug for Tamiflu. WellRx.com found it for $100 at Morgan Care Pharmacy in D.C. and $96 at Safeway. LowestMed.com listed it for $89 at CVS and Target, $56 at Walgreens, $53 at Rite Aid, and just $45 at Walmart.
The pharmacy said they wouldn't accept any coupons unless it was directly through Tamiflu. They wouldn't take any other competitor coupons. They basically made me decide on the spot, told me supply was really low and that I needed to make a decision like right then and there.
And so she put down the $450. AHIP, which represents insurance companies, blames pharmaceutical manufacturers for listing the original price for Tamiflu too high and not ensuring that drugs are affordable for patients. 7 on your side did reach out to the company that makes Tamiflu about that high price. We'll let you know what they say when they get back to us. Jonathan, back to you.
And when you're trying to help your kids, it's hard to let's make a deal. It's a tough one. All right. Thanks for that, Kimberly. You can learn more about the ways to prevent the flu with all of our stories that we've done. Just go to our free ABC7 News app. You'll find them there.
Breaking